Hi, everyone. My name is Gilbert Bawa from Africa, Ghana to be precise, and I'm a proud founder of ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE has been the best experience ever in my life. I have been a founder of this amazing company for the past 1.5 years, and as I said, it is the best thing to ever happen to me. I joined ONPASSIVE at a time where I almost quit online business. I didn't want to have anything to do with any online platform again because of past experience. I realized there was no platform I could trust. There was no platform I could confidently promote to help other people, because most of the time these programs that we dedicate our life, our time and put into them, they end up disappointing us. So I was kind of fed up with those systems until ONPASSIVE came my way. Since the day I joined ONPASSIVE, my life has never been the same. It has been a wonderful experience so far, with the kind of people I've been connected to, the kind of people I have met through ONPASSIVE. The other leaders on the Leadership Council, is such a privilege to be on that council. And one of the things that really caught my eye to stick to ONPASSIVE is the truthfulness of our CEO. He's such a humble man. He doesn't think about himself. And I still just can't imagine that I'm part of this business. We have a CEO who is dedicated, who is focused to leave a legacy for humanity. He's not doing this for himself. He's doing this for humanity. And I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every leader, especially from Africa, who is helping spread the good news. Because personally, I see it as an opportunity to help and change a lot of lives. And that is what I'm doing. I'm never going to stop. There is so much joy in doing that. And I'm privileged to be in a position to share this opportunity to other people in Africa. So congratulations to all leaders who are pushing the agenda in Africa. The leaders from Nigeria, Cameroon, South Africa, Angola, my own country, Ghana. Let's keep pushing, because with ONPASSIVE, Africa can be a whole different continent in some few years to come. Yes, together we can do it. Together we can make it happen. That is why I love the motto of ONPASSIVE. We are in it to win it, and it's going to happen. God bless you, Ash Mufareh. God bless you and your team for the wonderful work you are doing for us. We'll keep praying for you. We'll keep supporting you until we realize this dream. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you.